It's
20% of our total
20%.
caloric intake goes to an organ that weighs less than 2% of your body weight. It is the most insane statistic of the human body.
Totally, which is why it makes sense that giving your brain extra creatine, which can recycle that energy quicker, would help, particularly in the background of when you're using more of that energy, right? Like if energy is being triaged to whatever stress and the hormones and the whatever's going on, fill in the blank. And so the studies that typically are looking at the effects of creatine on cognitive function are looking at like processing speed. They're looking at a battery of tests that are, typical of any, fill in the blank supplement or treatment that is either going to improve cognitive function, memory being another one, right? Processing speed's a big one too, I would say, that creatine's been shown to improve. But again, really it's in the background of stress, whether that's stress being aging, so older adults. So aging is kind of a stress, right? Brain aging. So older adults seem to benefit from taking exogenous creatine or supplemental creatine.
Dom D'Agostino's name written all over it, right?
That's a really good point. It totally does.
We got to talk Dom into doing this.
So there was like a pilot study that came out, and these are researchers that I don't know necessarily, and some of them are pretty junior, but there was one that came out with people with Alzheimer's disease, and they were given 20 grams of creatine, and it improved cognitive function in these patients with Alzheimer's disease. I think there was also placebo control as well. And then they took those same patients and then had them exercise and improved strength and improved, lean body mass.
See, I'm just going to be skeptical
Yes.
that I still think that the name of the game is prevention, right?